Hi guys, for today's video, mayroon pa tayong ribbon guys, super kinky, OMG. Ubus ang power ko dito guys, kakaplansya. Pero nakayanan ni ate girl guys. So ayan, makikita yung outcome.
Wow!
Ayan na guys, ang kanyang hair, sobrang straight na. At walang bakas na pagkakulot. Touched by Anne Colorette. So ayan guys, so soft and shiny na ang kanyang